want to talk about the forms, let's move on to the reports. Now, so okay, that was a form, that's great. You can enter information, but what do we need a report for, or what is a report? Well, like I said, the form is used to do what? It's used to enter information, right? Well, there's got to be a way to display that information too, right? That's where the access report comes into play. This is used to output data from a table so it can display, again, the data to the end user. Okay. Uh, Another advantage is, like I said, just like a form, it shields the user from technical details about tables and fields. You know, they don't really care what's actual in the design. They would like to know if our customer Big Cheese bought anything from us last month, or whatever database you're working on. Okay. Now, just like a form, this can be based on an access table, right? And or a query for that matter. So we have that option. Now, as far as creating an access report, it's very similar. You can create it by selecting a table or a query and just selecting create report, just like I showed you on the form. So very similar in concept. You can also use a report wizard, and finally you can use the blank report and report design. So very similar in concept. Okay, they just have a different purpose. Forms are used to input information, and reports are used to output information. So think of them as input output. I am done with this part, I think, so I can kill that. We are back in our database. So now let's do this. I'm going to go ahead and let me just do a list of customers. Okay, we'll just do that. So I'm going to select customers, and again I'm going to go to create tab, and I'm going to just simply do a click on report. Now again, just like that, with one simple click, I'm able to get my list of customers in a nice, format. Okay, in a report. It even tells you, okay, what time is it? It's Thursday, February 14th, this time. So why is that, I guess, necessary? Think about it this way. Let's say you have a lot of data, or you work at a really big cheese type company, okay, and you have information changing all the time, and it's beneficial to know that what time was this report printed, okay, or pulled out. So that is why in reports you'll typically see, things like who created the report, what time, and those sort of things, right? And so this looks pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and save this. Just like a form, I would like this to name this RPT, right? So let's just do that. And if I open up my navigation, you'll notice that this report is, in fact, let me close this one too. The report is right down here. You can double click on it if you wanted to. You can, you can obviously, you could do a print preview, which means that it's ready to go to the printer. You could print it, you could change the margins, you can do all kinds of fun stuff with that, right? But let's do this. I'm going to go into design view, right? And I want to see, what can we add to this, right? So maybe, let's see, maybe I don't really need to see the fax information. Okay, so again, you select your control, you hit delete. You can, I could have done control, or you just delete one at a time. Okay, you can move margins if you wanted to. You could even go into what's known as layout view, and you can change, some of these colors and whatnot. Okay, I'm going to leave this as is, I think. Let me just make sure the what do you call it, the fax number's gone. I don't need that. And maybe what else? I think the country is kind of useless. Our column is useless. The country is not useless. I want to take out the country because all of our customers are in United States of America. So let me kill that. Now you notice this though, it didn't move these, so we can simply let me do this. I'm going to highlight these two things, and again you can move your mouse over and you can just drag these over. Okay, so that looks pretty good. I will go ahead and save it, okay, and do a preview. Let's just do a report view. That's fine. Report view is basically the same thing. Okay, so now the country's gone, fax is gone. I think it looks good. I'm going to go ahead and close this one. And I guess the last thing I really want to show you is just do a report wizard. Okay, and again, you don't need to select the object. You're simply going to go to create report wizard, which is again this one with the magic wand, right? Let's do orders this time. We'll select all of them. We'll go next. This time I would like to use oh, this is, by the way, if you want to do any kind of grouping. I'm going to go ahead and right now it's customer ID. That's fine. We'll just leave it as is. You can sort the data. I will skip that. Okay, and what do I want to do? I want to do I'll just do the regular. That's fine. Okay, and hit finish. Okay, so now the information is showing up. I mean, it is a little bit, we're having some issues with the formatting here, so let me actually take care of that first. I'm going to go, let me just do this. I'm going to kill the product again. I don't have a product, which is kind of interesting. I have orders without a product, but you know, this is a specialized company that we do business with. And by the way, you can use right left arrows. That's what I'm doing. Right left arrows, you can do those as well. Okay, and then I'm going to actually kill ship via, just look at that one too, make this one a little bit bigger. Okay, let's just make these a little, actually let's make these bigger, and then this one bigger too. You get the idea. Okay, and save it, and then do a report view. Okay, now we can see all the dates. It looks good, right? So okay, I believe that's all I wanted to talk about today. As far as I mentioned our YouTube channel. You can definitely check out our website. It's learningcomputer.com. We are constantly adding new things in there. We have some videos you can check out. We have some other topics. So connect with us online. And thank you for watching the video.